Raindrops paint your memory on my skin. Every street light hides where we've been. I walk alone through nights that never end. Your shadow lingers, my only friend.
I chase a glow I cannot hold, a fragile light in a world so cold.
Every heartbeat whispers your name, every sigh carries the pain.
Stay just a moment, my soul, a lantern in the rain, flickering through this endless pain. My soul, a lantern in the rain, guiding me back to you again.
Sleeps, but I can't rest. Each corner holds a piece of your chest. I reach for warmth that's slipped away, a fragile light that cannot stay.
Every step that goes where you've been, a ghost of love I cannot win. Every heartbeat whispers your name, every sigh carries the pain.
Come back just a little, my soul,
A lantern in the rain, flickering through this endless pain. My soul, a lantern in the rain, guiding me back to you again.
If I could hold what's gone away,
I'd keep it close, I'd make it stay. But all I have